Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Cisco, developing applications using Cisco core platforms and APIs DEVCOR. You can download the complete list of Cisco-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on DevCore is: can you discuss the role of event sourcing and event-driven architecture in Cisco DevCore applications? Your answer should be: event sourcing is a pattern where changes to application state are captured as a series of immutable events, enabling event-driven architectures where applications respond to events asynchronously. In Cisco DevCore applications, event sourcing and event-driven architecture enable real-time data processing, event-driven workflows, and decoupled, scalable systems. Our next interview question is: how do you handle data validation and error handling in RESTful APIs in Cisco DevCore development? Your answer should be: data validation involves verifying the integrity and correctness of incoming data, while error handling involves gracefully handling errors and providing informative error responses. In Cisco DevCore development, developers can use validation libraries or frameworks like JSON Schema or Swagger and OpenAPI and handle errors using HTTP status codes and error response payloads to ensure API reliability and usability. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the role of asynchronous messaging and queues in Cisco DevCore applications? Your answer should be: asynchronous messaging involves sending and receiving messages between components or services without requiring immediate responses using message brokers and queues. In Cisco DevCore applications, asynchronous messaging enables decoupling of components, scalability, and fault tolerance by allowing components to communicate asynchronously and process messages at their own pace. Our next interview question is: how do you handle security vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting XSS in Cisco DevCore applications? Your answer should be: handling security vulnerabilities like SQL injection and XSS involves implementing input validation, parameterized queries, and output encoding to prevent malicious code injection. In Cisco DevCore applications, developers should follow secure coding practices, use security libraries or frameworks, and regularly update dependencies to mitigate security risks. Our next interview question is: can you explain the concept of continuous monitoring and its importance in Cisco DevCore development? Your answer should be: continuous monitoring involves continuously collecting and analyzing data from applications, systems, and networks to detect and respond to security threats, performance issues, and compliance violations in real time. In Cisco DevCore development, continuous monitoring helps ensure application availability, performance, and security by proactively identifying and addressing issues. If you are preparing for any Cisco based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.